What's up, guys? This is Manuel. I'm here with Wesley.
Hey guys.
We're gonna install the high beams, and I think the same ones are the
Daytime running lights.
Okay?
Yes.
And we have JDM A-Star bulbs. These one are super cool. So we're gonna test them, how bright they are, and let's see if they work for this car. Okay? Okay guys, these are the JDM A-Star bulb, and the bulb number is this one, 9005. So this one are like this. These are just a plug and play, but they have a positive and negative connection. So if the bulb doesn't work, you have disconnected, rotate the connection and put it back again, and it will work. And this one has like a heat metal to cool the bulb, I think.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, so let's test this one. Okay guys, those are the 9005 JDM A-Star. They look super nice and bright. We like it a lot. I'm gonna put the link on the description. I'm here with Wesley. And see you on the next video. And please like the video.
Like the video, subscribe, don't forget.
Subscribe guys, okay? For more videos like this one. See you on the next video.